As the sun rises, the city rushes to attend to its daily affairs. Businessmen, athletes, and laborers. We are all so different, yet every day each of us relies on essentials that often go unnoticed, but which we can no longer live without. Today we discuss one of humanity's greatest inventions, worn by everyone. Men and women, adults and children, young and old alike. What could it be? A jacket? A coat? It is the sock. So, how are they made? To understand the science of sock manufacturing, we must visit the factory floor. This facility is the largest in Kazakhstan, located in the city of Shymkent. Approximately 3 million pairs of socks are produced here monthly. No grandmother could ever knit that many. It all begins here, in the designer's studio. They are the ones who create the vision for the future socks. Before developing a new model, the designer and the technologist collaborate to study global fashion trends. To keep pace with the times, the sock designs are updated every 2 weeks. Once the design is approved, the programmer takes over. Their task is to integrate the new product specifications into the knitting machines. This is the only plant in Kazakhstan that produces its own yarn, purchasing only raw materials: raw yarn, polyester, spandex, and elastic. This is the warehouse for raw yarn, essentially cotton thread. This is used to create synthetic blends. The entire labor process is almost fully automated. Spandex is wrapped around the elastic we purchase. One thread is wound clockwise and the other counterclockwise. This gives it a specific softness. Consequently, it becomes highly stretchable and elastic. It doesn't constrict the leg or hinder circulation, making the sock very comfortable for the wearer. For the lycra wrapping, the cycle is slightly shorter and it is wound in only one direction. However, lycra creates the internal framework of the sock. Since everyone has different leg shapes, the lycra ensures our socks conform to any leg, providing maximum comfort. Once the yarn is ready, it is sent for dyeing. This is a highly complex process where each color is created according to a specific, unique formula. The dyeing technology must be strictly maintained. The yarn is placed in vats, up to 300 kilos at a time, where it is washed, degreased with chemical reagents, and only then dyed at 60 degrees. The entire process takes 8 hours, after which the yarn is placed in the final vat for drying, which lasts another 5 to 6 hours. To verify the quality of the finished thread, it is sent to the laboratory. Here, the yarn is placed in a flask with laundry detergent and water at 60 degrees Celsius. This simulates a washing machine, allowing the technician to check if the color bleeds. If the water remains clear, the dyeing was successful. When comparing parameters for wear resistance, tensile strength, and color quality, we achieve exceptionally high-grade yarn. Now that the designers have developed the model and the yarn is ready, the knitting process begins. The shop manager sends the required amount of yarn to the knitting department. The thread composition, color, gauge, and quantity depend on the approved design. Did you know that socks were once considered one of humanity's greatest luxuries? In the 10th century, only the wealthy could afford them. This was due to the difficulty of their production. Such a gift was prized even by kings. Today, circular knitting machines are used, containing a cylinder and approximately 200 needles. A single sock is knitted in 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the size. If a red light flashes, it means a new program is loading or a thread has snapped. A technician resolves the issue and the process continues. This is a zero-waste production. Scraps are sent to be used as filler for pillows, mattresses, and blankets. The finished sock is turned inside out by a worker and sent to the toe linking department. The toe is stitched automatically. The worker aligns the edge of the sock between two metal plates, and pressure holds it in place for the seam. Next, the sock is pulled onto a metal leg form to set its shape. It acts as a large iron as the socks pass through a steam chamber. The sock is pressed, shaped, and steamed. This also disinfects the product. Aromatics or deodorizing agents can also be added at this stage. After processing, the worker removes the socks and sends them to quality control, QC, where they are inspected for defects. One inspector checks the toe, another the heel, and a third the elastic band. If no defects are found and the product meets all quality standards, it goes to the labeling machine. Following labeling comes the packaging stage. Socks are sorted by color and size, then bulk packaged for distribution. When choosing socks, the optimal composition is 75% cotton, 20% polyamide, and 5% elastane. This blend ensures durability, a premium appearance, and health safety. Choose high-quality products made in Kazakhstan.